Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain you about what is the global scope and what is the local scope. Okay, so basically like what is the global variable and what is the local variable. Okay, so let's start with by creating one file. I have created one file that is name it as a global variables in Python. Okay, so basically what exactly the global and local. So as it name suggests, like global is like used for a globally anyone can use it, and local means like a locally, like it is restricted to specific area, specific functions. Okay, so basically Python we can say a variable or a argument which is created inside a function is known as a local variable. A variable and argument which is created outside a function is known as a global variable. Okay, so let's understand that this both by creating one example. So let's say I'm creating a one variable, name it as a is equal to and I'm passing a value is a 6, and then I'm creating one function. Though, so guys, if you don't know how to create like your own function, your custom function, you can watch out my previous video in that I explained you about what how you can like create your own custom function with arguments and by returning a statement. How you can like return a specific value from the function. Okay, so let's say I'm creating a one variable a is equal to 6, and I'm using def. I'm creating a one function def, and I'm just printing like let's say I'm giving a name, it is a sum, and I'm just inside of my sum function I am creating one more variable. Let's say b is equal to 5, and I'm just printing a sum of that both the values, that is a and b. So I'm printing just a plus b. So what you guys can think, like is this will going to be throw me an error, or like it will going to giving me an addition of that two variable? Comment it down in the comment box before watching go further. Okay, so let's, I'm calling a function sum and print, like let's say I'm running a file that is global python global. Okay, so it is giving me addition of two variable. So basically it is using a as a global variable and b as a local variable. So now let's understand more conceptualize. So I'm creating one more function def subtraction, that is d sub, and I inside this I am using the same both variable. So I'm going to print a minus b. So guys, you can see here it is like directly giving me an error that b is not defined. Why? Because b is defined inside this function, which is like a locally. The scope of this b variable is scope like locally. You cannot use outside the function. Whereas this a is global function or global variable. You can like use this variable as a outside of function. Okay, you can use it in any function, any class, your file. You can use this variable. Okay. So let's say I'm going to print sub of sub. Okay, so it is going to be throw me an error that is name b is not defined from this sub function. Why? Because b is a local variable which is created inside my some function, and the scope of this variable is local. Okay, so we can't use this variable in outside of function. So one way to use this variable b inside your another function is like you have to specify a scope of that variable globally. Let's say I'm create a global variable b. Okay, I'm just creating a variable b, but I'm assigning a value to b in my this sum function. Okay, so basically you can like create a variable with global keyword. So the scope of that variable will be going to be a global, and you can use that variable in any functions. I can use this same variable in any function. Okay, so it will going to be a minus b, that is a will be a 6 and b will be a 5, that is 6 minus 5 will be a 1. So it is going to be return me a subtraction of these two variable. Okay, let's say one more thing, like what if what if I am going to create a one global variable. So basically I created a one variable that is a is equal to 6, and inside my function I am again creating a local variable with the same name. What do you think, guys? What will going to be happen? Like I am creating one same variable that is a is equal to, let's say, 8. Okay, so what this some function will going to be written like a is equal to like 6 plus 5, that is the first global variable, it is 6 plus b will be 5, or the local variable that is 8 plus 5. So in this situation, the variable taken by this function will always be a latest one. For example, like the latest one will be like this local variable. Okay, so in this case, like it will always going to be take in first priority will be going to the inside of the variable which is inside a function. Okay, so the, like for example, you have created a global variable and you are using a local variable, so the variable will the use by this function will be this local value, local variable. Okay, so the output will be the 8 plus 5 will be 13. Okay, so let's print the output. So as you guys can see, the take value with the variable taken by this function is a local variable, not a global variable. So guys, this is how like we can use the concept of the global variable and the local variable. So okay guys, so this is for this like global and local variable. You can use this concept in your programming while creating the functions. Okay, like if you want to allow access to that variable to publicly, you can like create it as a global variable, or you can like want to restrict that variable to a specific area or specific function, you can create like a create using as a local variable. So and keep in mind that like the first preference always be going to be a for a local variable. Okay, so guys, if you like a video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you guys are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.